Morning geocachers. It's just after 8:30 on a frosty, cold Sunday morning, and I'm out doing a few caches across the city of York. So yeah, there's quite a few of these are actually in quite populated areas of the city, well, heavily used areas of the city, so there might be muggles around. So I thought, well, if I get out early enough, it minimises that. So this behind me is Glen Gardens on East Parade. And I'm just heading to one called Stand and Deliver. The Highwayman's Rest. And it's near Dick Turpin's grave in York. So let's go looking. So as you can see, I think I'm about 1 kilometre away, and I'm just heading onto the cycle path to cut across town. And along this cycle path you'll have seen I've done a series of caches along here named after birds. So that big chimney there, centre screen, that's all that remains of the old council depot that used to be along here, Hallfield Road. In fact, this road is still relatively new in York. And then up ahead in the distance, roughly centre screen now, through the hazy bit, that's St Lawrence's Church, I believe. I think that's what it's called. You can see the size of that chimney there compared to Morrison's here on the right hand side. Pretty big. So here on Foss Islands Road, over there, centre screen, there's the Red Tower, and there's a cache over there. And just down there on the right hand side, there's the Silver Bridge cache that I've done. And you can see these in the series of caches on my channel. Not far off, 270 metres or so. Just on my left there, that's the Brown Cow pub. I mean, they're all closed at the moment because of the lockdown, but I'm not sure if that one isn't permanently closed anyway. So in that little bit of parkland over there, that's where Dick Turpin's buried, Dick Turpin's grave. So while we're here, we'll go and have a quick look. I've never actually been in here. As you can see, there are a load of stones. All the names have been worn off over time. But I believe, yeah, this is the one. So this is where the legendary highwayman Richard Turpin is buried. John Palmer, can't read what it says after that. Richard Turpin, the notorious highwayman and horse stealer, executed at Tyburn, April 7th, 1739, and buried in St George's Churchyard. A little bit of local history for you there. I didn't know this, but I'm guessing that that church over there is St George's. So it is. See, even I've learnt something this morning. One of the wonders of geocaching. Right, let's find this cache. Don't know whether you can see that. It says on it, harmless geocache. And it's actually all nice and dry. It's like a suppository. So 24th today of January. First find of the morning. Nice. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. And if you subscribe to the channel, then in YouTube will let you know when you open it up, when I've uploaded any kind of new videos. So just trying to pop this back discreetly, and there it is, back in place. So yes, as I say, if you've enjoyed this, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm off to go and find another one.